Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It's woven into our daily lives. Think about it. Voice assistants, smart recommendations, self-driving cars, and even medical diagnostics. At its core, AI learns from data, much like teaching a child through examples rather than strict rules. For instance, to help an AI recognize a cat, we show it thousands of labeled images instead of just saying 4 legs and whiskers. This process relies on machine learning, where algorithms identify patterns, make predictions, and improve with more data. It's all grounded in math, probabilities, and statistics that mimic human thought. Neural networks inspired by our brains drive everything from image recognition to natural language processing. But here's the exciting part. AI isn't just about machines taking over. It's about enhancing our capabilities, helping doctors spot diseases earlier, enabling innovative learning for students, and empowering creators to realize their visions. This is just the start of an incredible journey.